Hello and welcome to PH Maths. Today's explainer is independent events. Two events where one doesn't affect the other. By the end of this video, you'll know the multiplication rule and the trap of treating dependent events as independent. Definition. Two events are independent if the outcome of one does not affect the probability of the other. For independent events, the probability of A and probability of B both happening equals the probability of A times the probability of B. Multiplication for and when events are independent. Key insight. Two coin flips are independent. The second flip doesn't care what the first did, so the probability of heads then heads equals a half times a half equals a quarter. But drawing two cards without replacement is not independent, because once you've taken a card, the deck is smaller and the second probability has changed. Without replacement breaks the independence. Common mistake. Treating without replacement draws as independent. Pick one card, don't put it back, pick another. The second probability has 51 cards in the denominator, not 52. And if the first card was a king, only 3 kings remain. Always check whether the second event depends on the first. Quick example. 2 fair coin flips. Probability of heads then heads. These are independent. So half times half equals a quarter. 3 coin flips, all heads, half cubed, equals 1/8. Same rule, applied repeatedly.